let's get that escape running and head on down to deer camp. Got me some new brake parts off from eBay from King Kaliper and Nakamoto. Here's the King Kaliper remanufactured brake caliper. And over here we got the Nakamoto brake pads and brand new rotor. Talked to old Ford about sticking that in the toolkit, and they said they're WD-40 type of guys, so that says enough to me about that. I always carry me a good sharp knife. That way if I get attacked by a bear, I can slit my darn throat. Not a bad grind job on this caliper here. Wonder if they got CNCs over there in China. But I doubt it. They're probably cranking them handles. Fits like an old cowboy boot. It's a caliper from King Kaliper. It's rebuilt, all new hardware. Looks pretty good to me. It's even got them little copper washers, seal everything up. The brake pads came from the Nakamoto place, so they're not even from the same company, but they snap right in there. I'm going to slap this puppy on there. Gotta hook up the line and bleed them out. I got a chunk of 2x4 I use. That way I can bleed my own brakes. And here's my toolkit. I like to use this out here in the dirt. That way I don't lose all my shit. And I like my tool bag that just tipped over there. Like this video or I'm going to ream your ass. I gotta tighten them screws up in the back there. It's got all brand new hardware. I'm using a Torx bit. Which I could be on Dale Jr.'s pit crew. But I think there's about 6 ways this wheel goes on. I tried every one of them, but I cut all that video footage down for you guys. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Oh, it's hell to get old. Darn hinge is busted off. Glass slides down and the car alarm goes off. It's kind of annoying. Seems like they'd do something a little bit better than that. Just like to take the time to tell you that I'm recording these videos on one of them 4K cameras off from eBay for about 40 bucks. Set up as webcam mode, 1080p, 30 FPS. Those cameras are knockoff GoPros. They even got the plastic waterproof. Adios.